Mars has always captured our imagination, a beacon in the night sky calling us to explore. The dream of walking on its red soil is more than science fiction. It's about pushing human boundaries and securing our future as a multi-planet species. Every leap in history began with a bold step into the unknown, crossing oceans, climbing mountains, walking on the moon. Mars is the next step, challenging us to innovate and work together on a global scale. The quest for Mars isn't just for scientists, it's a shared dream that unites us all. Imagine seeing Earth as a tiny blue dot from the Martian surface, a perspective that would forever change how we see our home. The journey to Mars is about survival, hope, and proving that life can reach beyond Earth. Why Mars? Because it's there, it's hard, and it demands our best. The red planet pulls us toward our own future, inviting us to become citizens of the solar system. The journey will be tough, but the reward, a new chapter for humanity, is worth it. Mars is our next stop in the cosmos. Mars is no second Earth. It's a world of extremes. Its surface is coated in red dust, its sky tinted pink, and its soil dry and barren. The air is thin, about 100 times less dense than Earth's, and made mostly of carbon dioxide. Without a suit, you couldn't breathe or survive the low pressure. Your body's liquids would boil away. The thin atmosphere also means little protection from deadly solar radiation. Temperatures swing wildly. A summer day at the equator might reach 20 degrees Celsius, but nights plunge to minus 73 degrees Celsius. The average? A frigid minus 62 degrees Celsius. Mars boasts giant volcanoes, vast canyons, polar ice caps, and planet-wide dust storms. It's a silent, frozen desert, beautiful, dangerous, and full of scientific wonders. Surviving here will demand technology, resilience, and ingenuity. Mars will test us at every turn. This is the frontier that awaits. Reaching Mars is a monumental challenge. The journey takes 6 to 9 months, following a precise orbital path that only opens every 26 months. Astronauts will live in cramped quarters, millions of miles from home, relying on their ship for survival. The spacecraft must shield them from radiation and the vacuum of space. Daily exercise is vital to counteract zero-gravity's effects on muscles and bones. Isolation and distance will test their mental strength, Earth will shrink to a distant star, and messages will take up to 20 minutes each way. As Mars nears, the most dangerous phase begins landing. The thin atmosphere makes it hard to slow down. Parachutes, heat shields, and rockets must work in perfect sequence all automatically. This 7 minutes of terror is the final hurdle. A safe landing marks the start of the real adventure. Mars awaits. On Mars, survival starts with building safe habitats, likely modular, partially underground, and shielded by Martian soil. Using local resources, colonists can 3D print bricks and cover shelters, protecting against radiation and cold. Water is locked in ice beneath the surface. Robotic miners can extract and purify it. Electrolysis splits water into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Food will grow in pressurized greenhouses using hydroponics or aeroponics, no Martian soil required. Plants recycle air and provide fresh food, but every system must be carefully managed. The city will be a network of tunnels and domes powered by solar panels and possibly nuclear reactors. Every drop of water and watt of energy will be precious. Waste will be recycled, and efficiency is key. Life here is a balance of technology and teamwork. Martian society will be built on science, resilience, and a shared mission. The goal, not just to survive, but to thrive. Humanity's new home begins here. Mars is relentlessly hostile. Its gravity is just 38% of Earth's, weakening muscles and bones. Colonists must exercise intensely, maybe even use artificial gravity. Martian dust is fine, toxic, and sticks to everything. Keeping it out of habitats is a daily battle. Dust storms can engulf the planet, blocking sunlight and threatening power supplies. Colonists must rely on stored energy and backup systems to survive these blackouts. The psychological toll is real. Distance, isolation, and communication delays can lead to loneliness. Building a strong, supportive community is essential for mental health. Shared goals, recreation, and robust support systems will help colonists thrive. Mars will test our bodies, minds, and technology. But overcoming these challenges is what will make us truly Martian. The red planet demands our best, and rewards it with a new world. The adventure is just beginning.